byte of 65. So internally it converts into binary format. That's why computer understands only binary language, machine language. Okay. So 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1. 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 4 bytes is equal to 1 word. Okay. So 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte. 1024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabytes. 1024 terabytes equal to 1 petabyte. 1024 petabytes equal to 1 hexabyte. 1024 hexabyte is equal to 1 octabyte. 1024 octabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte. 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte. If you search, there are 2 more terminologies presented. Yesterday night I searched, I googled it, and 2 more terminology came into my mind and I displayed on the screen. 1024 ZB, zettabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte. 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte, not G-I-O, it is G-E-O, geobyte. So if you ask me 1024 geobyte is equal to infinity, there is no terminology. Keep in mind. You understood? So computer understands only binary language. The way we are measuring huge volume of data in bytes, kilobytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, exabytes, octabytes, yottabytes, zettabytes, protobytes and zettabytes. You might have seen Robo movie. Hi, I am Robo. My speed is 1 terabytes. My memory is 1 zettabytes. Before that movie, we don't know the terminology. You know, later we came to know we are way back we are lagging in the terminology of jargon of IT. So we are dealing about big data technologies. Now you can consider terabytes of data, we can call it as big data. In order to handle the big data, normal systems are unable to process the huge volume of data. That's why we are going to process a huge volume of data by using special integrated systems or supercomputers. We are using, and special systems we are using in order to process huge volume of data. Hadoop, HBase, Hive, MATLAB, or various tools we are using in order to process the big data. Keep in mind. Okay, there are 3 major dimensions of big data: volume, velocity,